Draw the graph of the pair of equation. Those are the equations. Write the vertex of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. Okay. Also find the area of the triangle. Okay. So the very first thing is finding the coordinates. 2x plus y is equal to 4. So any method you guys want, you can follow that. I'll just go with for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4. I'll just don't need to show the calculation because it's a long question. This is good enough. So for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. And then for what should I take? X is equal to minus 2, I guess. Y will be equal to 6. Okay. Or should I go with some other value? 1. That will be, yeah, I think that's better. If I go with 1, y will be equal to 2. A smaller value. I'm thinking about the graph because my sheet is limited. No, that's fine. Okay, moving on, we have 2x minus y is equal to 4. So here I'll take for y is equal to 0, x will be equal to 2 clearly. And for x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. That's good. For x is equal to, what should I go? I think 1 again. So 2 into 1 is 2. If I transpose, it will be 4 minus 2, that's 2. So y is equal to minus 2. Again, if you want to calculate it, please do it separately. And now we will have to write the coordinates, tabulate the coordinates to plot. So we clearly have two equations, is it not? So we have equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is what, guys? This, and the coordinates are 0 and 4. So this is x and this is y, x and y. 0 and 4, this is for equation 1. Make it clear that, yeah, I made it clear, equation 1. And 0 and 2, 2 and 0 actually, 1 and 2. And the other equation would be 0 and minus 4, 0 and minus 4, 2 and 0, 2 and 0, 1 and minus 2. Right? That would be equation 2. Equation 2. Okay. And now on to plotting this. So let's look at the highest value. We have 1. Okay. It's basically on the right first quadrant, kind of, with respect to x-axis. Y-axis, it's minus 4 and 4. Yeah, we have decent set of equation values, not an issue. Somewhere along this line is good enough. Okay, so we have this to be y dash and y, x dash and x, and this is, oh yeah, last time I missed out a scale and all of that, so I think I'll put the scale over here, and you guys can do that on your graph sheet itself. So we have y-axis is how much, guys? Every centimeter I'll take it as 1 unit, and x-axis 2, I'll do the same. I can take 2, I think that will also be okay, but let me not risk it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 1. Minus 1, I'll do it on the left hand side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Done. So we have 0 and 4. 0 and 4 is up. 2 and 0 is this. 1 and 2 is this. Does that make sense? Do we have a line? We do, is it not? So we have this as a line, and we have the other one is equation 1 is what, guys? I think 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus y is equal to, okay. And the other one is 0 and minus 4. 0 and minus 4 is down. 2 and 0. 2 and 0 is the same thing. 1 and minus 2. Okay. Yes, we do have decent set of lines. We'll get the answer. Not an issue. It's not too complicated. Actually, I drew. Yeah. Huh. There's some problem with the graph itself. Okay, that would be your diagram. So let's mention the equation as well. I think 2x minus y is equal to 4, if I remember. 2x minus y is equal to 4, that's correct. Yes. And now we have 0 and minus 4, and this is 1 and 2 down, 2 to the left, 1 to the right, not left, right. This is 4 up. Okay, we are done. So the question is what? I think we need to mention the vertex and all of that separately. Write the vertex of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. And yeah, also find the area of the triangle. Write the vertex of the triangle formed by these lines and the y-axis. So which triangle are we talking about? Can you pause and think? Yes, we are talking about this triangle. With respect to the y-axis, this is a triangle, is it not? Okay, that's a triangle they are talking about. We need to write the vertex. So vertex we have already written. So that's point A, point B, and point C. So we'll just talk about triangle ABC. Vertex A is 2, 0, B is 0, 4, and C is 0, minus 4. Just in case if your teacher, they want an answer on the sheet of paper, right? So let's not risk it. Okay, mention it everywhere. And then on to finding the area of triangle, which is equal to half into base into height. So in this case, what is the base, guys? Base would be, remember, it is something, I can take anything actually, but I'll take from 0 to this 0 to this 0, that is 0 and 4 and minus 4. What is the length? Is it 4 minus 4? No, it is 4 minus of minus 4. So that is your BC, which is 4 minus of minus 4. Again, if you're confused, don't write all of this, just write 8 centimeter. And the height will be AO. O is your origin. So clearly the length is 2, so 2 centimeter, something like this. You don't have to write everything. Sometimes you can be smart and measure the length from there and write it over here. Not a big deal. So half of 2 into 8. So this is 8 centimeter square. Okay. Again, very simple question. This is aram se 4 marker, and you can get aram se that 4 mark. It's not at all hard. You just have to be a bit smart when you're working things out. Right? So you can pause and have a look at the answer. Again, the logic behind this is your distance coordinate in coordinate geometry. How do you find the distance? By subtracting the coordinates, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Same thing we have done over there. If you're not able to figure that out, just go with taking a scale, measuring it, or counting, whatever you guys are comfortable with.